Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type LCD and OLED. Panel type VAQD and WOLED. Screen size 65-inch USA, 65-inch Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 144 Hz. Brightness 3500 nits and 1495 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 52 ppi and 68 ppi. Response time 5.7 millisecond and 0.2 millisecond. Video processor AIPQ Pro and HCX Pro AI Make 2. HDMI variable refresh rate, yes. FreeSync G-Sync, yes. Consumer electronic control, yes. Auto low latency mode, yes. Anti-reflection coating, yes. Ambient light sensor, yes. High frame rate 4K 120 HDR10, 4K 120 Dolby Vision and 4K 144 HDR10 and DV. HDR formats HDR10, HDR10 Plus, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10, HDR10 Plus Adaptive, Hybrid Long Gamma, Dolby Vision IQ. Part 2 Connectivity. HDMI version HDMI 2.1. Number of HDMI 4. USB ports 1 into USB A and 3 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.0. RJ45 ports 1. Part 3 Features. TV platform Google TV and Fire TV. Version at launch 12.0. OS updates, yes. AirPlay, yes. Chromecast, yes and no. HomeKit, yes. Voice assistants Google Assistant and Alexa. Search browser Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV app, Disney Plus, HBO Max, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube. Part 4 Audio. Speakers 6.2.2 120 watt and 5.1.2 160 watt 360 Sound Space Pro. HDMI ARC and EARC, yes. Dolby Atmos, yes. Dolby Digital Plus, yes. Dolby AC3 AC4, yes. Detach X, yes and no. Detach HD, yes and no. Stereo speakers, yes. Subwoofer, yes. Part 5 Design. Dimensions 29.8 into 144.5 into 86.9 cm and 57 into 35 into 2.7 inch. Weight 32.78 kg and 30.5 kg. Mounting hole pattern 400 into 200 mm and 300 into 300 mm. Special features: Mini LED up to 5000 nits, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240 integral skin, and anti-reflective filter ultra, Gemba 3.0, IMAX enhanced, motion accelerator 240, tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.